Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. How y'all are this evening? Big grand samedi soir. Big Saturday night. Missus peeling some shrimp, deveining them. She's gonna fry some. Then we're gonna make a sauce. In that big old black iron pot over there. And then we got KBON, KBON 101.1 on the radio, and LSU game on TV, and LSU's on top. Look at that big old 56-inch TV there. Yeah, you see the whole 100 yards on that TV, plus the end zones. That's right. LSU's on top, 14-3, babe. That's right. Got to get them, Tigers. Go Tigers.
Yeah.
Go Tigers. Yeah, well, Ole Miss made a field goal in the first possession of the game, and LSU answered back with a touchdown and then another touchdown. So, heck yeah, we got it going on. Hey, what you can ask for more on a big samedi soir, big Saturday night? Fried shrimp, shrimp sauce, KBON on the radio, and LSU on TV. Winning. All right, I'll add to this after a while. Catch you Pluta. Hey, we back again. Again, on call. So, anyway, Mrs. frying down the onions, the bell peppers, and stuff like that. Got all the shrimp deveined. She didn't have to devein the shrimp for the sauce. These are small shrimp. I mean, they only like a 40 count, tail count, which that would be like a 36-40 regular count. I mean, I got some good sized hands. And look at that. That's a nice shrimp. You don't have to devein all that. Just to fry, yeah, but not for a sauce. Not for a gravy. Shrimp stew. So, anyway, look at here. We got some harvest out of the jardin, the garden. And got some okra, some gumbo in French, and yeah, they big, but they soft. Got some like an Ichabod eggplant. That's an Asian eggplant. This is not Ichabod, but it's close to it. And got some banana squash right there, man. And we got some trumpet squash and a rondenise squash. Boy, that's awesome. Awesome in a casserole. And this too. That trumpet squash. That is awesome. Missy made a casserole with that, with a Ritz cracker topping. She browned down the Ritz crackers. Man, that was so good. This right here, we're going to pickle some of these. The smaller ones, we're going to pickle some. And then she's going to fry down the other ones, like for a roux base, gumbo, okra gumbo. Fry it down real good to make a true, real okra gumbo. And LSU's on top, 28-3. Chad, bon Dieu. They made 2 touchdowns back-to-back a while ago. They was up 14-3, now they 28-3. And they done fumbled twice, but they got it back. It was a penalty, the first fumble. But the second fumble, Ole Miss got the ball back. So, but anyway, look at the cocoons, the cucumbers. Man, yeah. I don't know. That's a cucumber. Thought it was a zucchini squash. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cucumbers. So cocombs in French. Well, look, we're gonna get back with y'all in a little bit here. Pluta.